Hi everybody and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Karen. So today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and easy baked ziti using ground turkey. Today I'm going to use Italian seasoned ground turkey, some jarred marinara sauce, some Italian style cheese blend, some Parmesan cheese, an onion, ricotta cheese, a little red wine, some penne pasta, some fresh parsley, and some chopped baby spinach. It's going to be quick and easy, so let's get cooking. So the first thing we want to do is get a big pot and fill it with water, let it come to a rolling boil, and then we are going to add in our pasta. Now let's get started on our turkey cheese mixture. In a Dutch oven, I've put the 1 pound of ground Italian sausage in, and now I'm going to add 1 medium chopped onion. And now we're going to stir this around and saute it until the onions get translucent and the turkey is nicely browned. Now if you don't have Italian style turkey, just feel free to use the regular ground turkey and add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. So our turkey has got nice and brown and the onions have softened. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take this off the heat and let it cool for 10 minutes. So our pasta has finished cooking. I cooked it according to the package directions, but I did it for a couple minutes less time because we want these noodles to be al dente, which means they still have a little bite to them, because we're still going to cook this pasta once it bakes in the oven and we don't want our pasta to get mushy. So make sure that you do not overcook your pasta. Our turkey mixture has been cooling for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add some frozen chopped spinach. I used half of a 16-ounce bag that I cooked for 1 minute in the microwave and drained really well. Just add that in there. Now we're going to add 32 ounces of ricotta cheese, 1 teaspoon of minced dry garlic, or 2 teaspoons of fresh garlic. Now we're going to put in half the bag of our Italian cheese blend, or you can just use all mozzarella. And now half the bag of our Parmesan cheese. Now, after we're done mixing all the ingredients together, it's going to look like this. And now we're going to set this aside. We've drained our pasta, and now we're going to add 1 jar of tomato basil sauce. And just get any good quality jarred sauce that you like, and just pour it right in there. And now here's my little trick I like to use to get the rest of the sauce out of the jar. We're going to take 1/3 of a cup of red wine and pour it in the jar. We're going to put the cap back on and give it a good shake. And now this is going to enhance the flavor of the jarred sauce. Plus, we didn't waste a drop. Now just mix all the sauce into the pasta. Okay guys, let's get ready to assemble this. Now the nice part about this is you can make 1 giant casserole in a big, deep rectangle dish, or what I like to do is take a shallower 9x13 pan and a square pan. That way I have an extra one to freeze or to give away. I'm actually making the larger one for a friend who's very ill right now, and then we will keep this one in the freezer or just have it another day. Okay, so the first thing we do is we're going to put a light layer of the pasta into the pan. Now add a thin layer of the turkey cheese mixture over this pasta. So we added the second layer of our pasta and then the final layer of our turkey cheese mixture. Now take your second jar of pasta sauce and evenly drizzle it over the top of each casserole. Now we have sprinkled the remaining Parmesan and mozzarella blend cheese mixes evenly on top of each casserole. Now sprinkle each casserole with some dried Italian seasoning, and we have our oven preheated at 350 degrees. We're going to bake this for 30 minutes or until the top is a nice golden brown. So our casserole has been baking at 350. It took about 25 minutes, guys, and look how good that looks. Just nice and lightly brown on top. I sprinkled some fresh parsley on it, and I would cut into it for you guys or spoon it out, but I'm bringing this to my friend, so I don't want to mess it up. But trust me, it's delicious, ooey gooey, cheesy yumminess. So please give this a like, share it out with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, I sure would appreciate it. And we will see you on the next episode. Bye, everybody.